the machine? Do you like it so much? So new machine in the new year by this brand New. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now happy new year to every one of you. This is not the first video that I'm shooting this year, but there are a lot of other videos that are already in the process of being edited, so that's being done. But I just want to wish you guys a very happy new year, just in case if you miss out on my first video of this year. And I wish this year is going amazing for all of you and it turns out to be the best so far. With all that being said guys, I just want to tell you guys that on this channel I'm starting a new series of product review. Now I've been doing makeup or skincare or hair care product reviews on my channel here, but I think I will also be doing home appliances review because I buy a lot of stuff and then I don't show you guys, and I know that so many of you actually find them really useful. So that is number one. Also beauty tools and everything I will be reviewing. So if you have any product that you have in mind that you want me to review, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try and get my hands on that and review it for you. So what happened last year, I had this premonition. ऐसे दिमाग में I was thinking कि what happens if my washing machine fails on me, and it actually did. It was very old. It just gave up on me basically, and it was smaller in size. It was a very old machine, so I planned to buy a new machine in the new year. So new machine in the new year by this brand New. This is NU. This is an Indian brand guys, and it is really amazing. First of all, it is a fully automatic washing machine, just what I need. Then it has 8 kg capacity, and that's I think dry clothes ka weight capacity. It's not wet clothes, so you can actually put many clothes. So it is cost effective, it saves water, it takes less time to actually wash a lot of clothes. So that was my number one priority because I have a small little baby in the house and there are a lot of clothes by the end of the week. So I do my laundry maybe on Saturday and Sundays in the night, and a lot of the laundry gets accumulated. So I needed a bigger washing machine. I purchased this one on sale, so it is very cost effective that way. And I purchased this from Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link of it in the description box below. That is the best buy link. You can go ahead and purchase it if you're looking for a new washing machine, obviously. Now with this machine, I just love the build quality. I just love the capacity. This is a smart washing machine which is really good, very helpful. There are a lot of other features as well in this one which I found was most suitable for my needs, and therefore I got this one. So this is a grey color. This is a steel grey color washing machine. This is a metallic body. Yeah, it's a metal body, and inside of it there's a huge drum that is also made up of steel. So it's really good. I'm going to give you the unboxing and everything, demo and stuff, in a bit from now. The company also provides installation which is free of cost, very quick, and they will explain you everything. There are a lot of modes in here, a lot of programs. Like there are I think 10 programs you can select from depending on what kind of clothes you are washing. So I am very surprised to see there's also a section for a sari wash, which is amazing. And it is a fully automatic top load washing machine. It is affordable, it has a very superior wash quality, and it has intelligent wash modes. There's a smart diagnosis, waterfall circulation, stainless steel inner tub. There's this digital display on the top. It has quad eye pulsator, fuzzy logic control, and auto power off. Then as I mentioned, 10 wash programs: smart select, synthetic or sari, gentle, jeans, whites, and all of that. This washing machine has 700 RPM. RPM is I think rotation or revolution per minute. That means it revolves really quickly. That means it has a very high speed. That means it's going to dry the clothes really fast and quick. Also, it is a very quiet washing machine. If it is running in the background, you'll hardly hear any noise, which I think is perfect for me because I can do my laundry while maybe my baby is sleeping, or while I'm shooting a video, or while I'm studying. So that is also a plus for me. I will quickly insert the clip of my video unboxing and I'll show you as to how it functions and everything. nicely packed. And this thing is really nice. It's not a poly bag. I think it's reusable or biodegradable. I think I really like it. Are you liking it? Wow. Look at the machine. Come here, take a look. Oh, it has so many modes. This is the tray. I think this goes underneath the machine. There is this drainage pipe and there is this water pipe that comes with it. This is the drum, which is very spacious. As you can see, I think this would be the lint cleaner, and it's pretty big and you can easily remove it and wash it and put it back like this. This is really kind of a good thing. In a lot of other machines I saw this lint holder. I'm not really sure what it is called, but this is generally very small, and that is not really good for the health of the fabric of the clothes. Then there is this area over here where you can put your detergent and the softener, and it comes out like detergent in here and the softener in here, the fabric conditioner of the softener. I use Comfort and press it back. It's a really nice machine. I really like it. Let me just give you a close-up look of this one. And this is a New Living Smart. Can you please stop shaking it? Yeah, you really like the machine, don't you? Yeah? Do you really like the machine? Yes? You enjoying it so much? Yeah? All these clothes of yours will be washed in here. And your shoes are getting really dirty. They will also get in here and get washed. So this is focus. This is New Living Smart. This is 8 kg. This is, I think, the code number. These are all the programs that you can select depending on what you're washing, like woolen, then whites, jeans. You can air dry and spin it. There's general wash as well, quick wash, fuzzy logic, synthetic or sari, tub clean, and there's this smart select. You can also select the level of water that you want, and this is the panel that you get in here. So I'm out of breath. This is the machine. It says Power Wash by New Living Smart, and it has a one-touch spin function. Functions at low water pressure, fuzzy logic wash, 10 wash program, and 5-star rating. That means it is going to save your electricity as well. Nozzle in here where this pipe actually goes. This is the water pipe. I'll just quickly, you can simply, you know, screw this. I don't know why it's not focusing. You can attach this part to the water tap, and that's about it. And there is this drainage pipe. This drainage pipe gets attached here at the bottom here, if you can see. There the camera focuses. Yeah, there you go. So you want to wash your ball in here? That's not going to work, mister. No, Also guys, I think this is worth mentioning that if you have a baby in the house like this one and as naughty as this one, then the machine also comes with a child lock, as you can see. So it is all safe and it is all perfect, even if somebody tries to open the lid or whatever. So the machine will, I think, stop as soon as you open the lid or the child opens the lid. So it's pretty safe also. This is the plug, and you just need switchboard like this one. Very simple, no power plug or anything of that sort. Switch it on, and this is the power button. So it's very simple to use. I have plugged that on over there, and I'll switch on power as soon as you switch it on. This is 1. This means this is program 1, which is Smart Select. You have all of these programs, and P means program. So if you want to select, for example, maybe fuzzy logic or maybe quick wash, let's go for quick wash. I'm going to press this 5 times. 4 and 5. It's going to take 26 minutes, and I can select the water level from here. So it is level 1, 2, 3 and 4, and water level will be selected from here. So I will select, maybe if I have few clothes, maybe half a tub, then maybe I'll select 5. So 26 minutes for program 5 at level 2, and you switch on this button and the machine will start the water thing. This is not really attached with the water right now, so you can hear this noise, right? So that means the water pipe needs to be connected to the water tap so that you can have water in here. And so this is how it spins. It spins really quickly. I'm just showing you guys for demo purpose, nothing much. There's just a ball in here, and it's a rubber ball, so it's not going to harm the machine. Your ball is all washed. Yep. Did you enjoy it? Guys, one thing that I really liked was this one. I'm not really sure if this feature is in all of the machines, but when you're not actually using the machine, you can take the plug and you can just put it back over here, so it's all like neat and clean. The wire does not hang randomly out of the machine or anything. So it's really a very smart machine, perfectly designed to my liking. So guys, that was the functioning of the machine. It's very easy to use. It's a very smart machine, and I'm very happy with my purchase. Thumbs up from my side. Overall, if I have to say, I'm very happy with my purchase, mainly because it is a smart washing machine in my budget and for the quantity of clothes or the load of clothes that I do. So it is very cost effective, it is very time effective, and it is perfect for me. So if you're looking for a new washing machine this year, probably you can give this one a try, which is the fully automatic top load washing machine by New. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know what other product review you would want to see on my channel, and I will definitely bring it for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.